Winter is coming, and as a homes editor and DIY enthusiast, I'm already preparing my home and garden for the chilly season. It's not just about cozy nights. It's about protecting your property from the harsh realities of winter. Let's dive into some simple, yet highly effective, steps to winterize your home, shall we? Winterproofing your home, a room-by-room guide. Seal the deal. Windows and doors. The problem, drafts. They're the enemy of warmth and your wallet. Cold air seeping in through windows and doors can make your home feel less comfortable and drive up heating costs. The solution, inspect your windows and doors for worn-out sealant. This is a quick win that can make a big difference. If resealing isn't enough, consider using a draft excluder. It's a simple fix that works wonders. Heating checkup. The task. Before the deep freeze hits, switch on your heating for an hour to ensure your boiler is in good working order. Pro tip. Check the pressure gauge. It should be in the green zone. Low pressure can shut down your boiler, while high pressure can cause damage. If you need to adjust the pressure, a quick YouTube tutorial can guide you through the process. Radiator revival. The method. Touch your radiators. Cold spots mean trapped air. The fix. Bleed your radiators. It's easy. Use a radiator key and wait until water trickles out. This releases the air, allowing your radiators to heat your rooms efficiently. Duvet upgrade. The secret. Swap your summer duvet for a warmer TOG rating. This is a simple switch that can significantly impact your comfort and energy bills. Smart idea. Consider a clever quilt system with interchangeable layers for different seasons. Electric blanket bliss. The luxury. Bring out your electric blanket. It's the ultimate cozy companion for those chilly nights. Place it under your sheet for a pre-warmed bed. Pure bliss. Winterizing your garden. Preparing for the elements. Furniture fortification. The goal. Protect your outdoor furniture from the elements. The action. Move your furniture indoors if possible, or use a tarpaulin cover. This simple step can significantly extend the life of your garden furniture. The final cut. The timing. Give your lawn its final mow of the season. The technique. Wait for the grass to be dry, but don't leave it too late. A shorter cut allows more sunlight to reach the grass during the colder months. Drainage duty. The task. Clear out drains and gutters. The method. Remove any debris from your drains to ensure proper water flow. For gutters, it's best to call in the professionals if you don't have the right equipment. Leaf litter cleanup. The problem. Fallen leaves can smother your lawn, block sunlight, and encourage diseases. The solution. Rake your lawn to remove leaves before your final mow. As Harry Bodell, a garden landscaper, points out, regular leaf removal is crucial for a healthy lawn during winter. So, there you have it, my tried and true methods for winterizing your home and garden. These simple steps can make a big difference in your comfort and your budget. Now, I'm curious, what are your go-to winter preparation tips? Share your thoughts in the comments below.